In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gitlab with Cursor AI, a process that can significantly streamline your coding experience. Cursor AI is designed to make interacting with your code repository simple and efficient, and linking it with Gitlab allows you to harness its full potential. By connecting these two platforms, you can push and pull changes seamlessly, which helps in maintaining an organized workflow and collaborating effectively. Before we dive into the process, make sure you have a few things in place. You'll need a Gitlab account, Cursor AI installed on your Windows machine, and an existing Gitlab repository you want to work with. With these ready, we can start by generating a personal access token in Gitlab. First, go to your Gitlab profile and navigate to the Access Tokens section. Here, you'll want to create a new token with specific permissions. Make sure to enable both the Read Repository and Write Repository scopes. This is crucial as it allows Cursor AI to both read from and write to your repository, which is necessary for full functionality. Once you have created your token, be sure to copy it immediately as it won't be shown again. Now let's move on to connecting Gitlab with Cursor AI. Open up Cursor AI and look for the option called Clone Repository. You'll need to paste the HTTPS link for your Gitlab repository here. When prompted for your credentials, enter your Gitlab username and use the token you earlier copied as your password. After entering these details, Cursor AI will begin to clone your repository. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your repo, so just sit tight while it finishes up. To ensure everything is working as intended, let's do a quick test by making a small change to one of the files in your cloned repository. After you've made the change, commit it and then push it back to Gitlab. This will help you verify that the link between Cursor AI and Gitlab is functioning properly. If everything goes smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully connected Gitlab to Cursor AI. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the steps. We started by generating a personal access token in Gitlab with the necessary permissions. Next, we connected Gitlab to Cursor AI by cloning the repository and using the token as part of the credentials. Finally, we tested the connection by making, committing, and pushing a change to ensure everything was in order. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI coding tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!